Hello everyone, my name is Jason Page. I'm a light painter, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to my very first ever NFTs and the first light paintings on Theta drop. My light paintings in this first drop are called Illuminated Beings. These images are created in real time and captured to the camera in one single photographic frame. There is no Photoshop or photo editing used to create anything you see in my images. To create my light paintings, I work in the dark and use light as paint. Light is my medium. To record my light painting work, I use the photographic technique of long exposure photography. By leaving the shutter of the camera open for an extended period of time, it allows the camera to record all the movements and traces of light that I leave within the frame. The exposure times for the illuminated beings range anywhere from 2 minutes to over 7 minutes long. As the long exposure runs, I physically trace my body with light, leaving behind an illuminated imprint of myself in that space and time. When the shutter closes, the camera magically takes all that time, that three-dimensional space, and all my movements of light and compresses it down onto one single photographic frame. In this drop, there will be light painting packs. Each of the light painting packs will contain one of 8 different illuminated beings light paintings. Each of the illuminated beings will be more rare than the next. If you collect any of the illuminated beings light paintings, you will get access to a detailed behind the scenes making of video of the rarest of the illuminated beings light paintings, this image right here. Your illuminated being NFT will be the key that unlocks that making of video. Also within the packs will be 8 light painted golden tickets. Each of the tickets will be redeemable for a physical print of the illuminated being image that the ticket represents. The golden tickets are numbered 1 through 8 and they correspond to illuminated beings 1 through 8. If you get golden ticket number 1, that corresponds to illuminated being number 1. I hope you all love the work in this very first ever light painting drop, and that this video gave you a little glimpse into the magic of light painting, compressing down time, space, and movements of light into one single photographic frame. It truly is magic. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you get a rare one.